Now that you know what a resume is and why it matters, it's time to start building your own. There are a couple ways you can get started. If you are a current Concordia student, you can start by visiting Covernet and downloading one of our Career Center resume templates. These templates provide a strong starting point and help make sure your resume has a professional structure and format. We'll provide a link in this video's description. Of course, you can also create your own resume using Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Whichever option you choose, the goal is the same. Create a clear, easy-to-read document that highlights your experiences and skills. While it can be tempting to use design tools like Canva or templates found on the web, we recommend avoiding them for resumes. They can make editing more difficult, create formatting issues, and may not work well with employer applicant tracking systems. When it comes to formatting, keep your margins between 1 inch and 1/2 inch, never smaller than 1/2 inch. This keeps your content readable and professional. Font choice matters too. Stick with clean, professional fonts such as Arial, Calibri, Cambria, Century, Garamond, Helvetica, Palatino, or Verdana. The font size for body content should be between 10 and 12 points. Headings should be 2 points larger, and your name in the heading can be up to 4 points larger. Now it's time to create your resume headline. This usually includes your name, contact information, and LinkedIn URL. Keep it simple and professional. Start by brainstorming everything you've done that could go on a resume. Think beyond just jobs. Include volunteer work, student organizations, leadership roles, trainings, and certifications. Once you've got your list, start grouping your experiences under headings. These might include work experience, volunteer experience, or leadership and activities, whatever fits your story best. When saving your resume, always follow the employer's instructions for file type. If they ask for a Word document, Doc or DocX, send that. If you have the option, a PDF is a great choice because it keeps your formatting consistent no matter what computer or system the employer uses. Name your file clearly so it looks professional and is easy to find. And that's your starting point. A blank page, a solid list of experiences, and a clean headline to build from.